Yeah, want to look at questions now. Want to see questions, find the determinants of B. And these are our B. Okay? I've said earlier on that we use the symbol for determinants. Another one you can use is what we call the DET, depth of that symbol. Okay, so they are the same thing for determinants. Okay, so where we have 3 by 3 here, and I've said earlier on that you can use any of the rows or any of the columns to do your evaluation for determinants. Okay, the only thing is just that you have to do it in conjunction to the sign. Okay, to do in this place. So that's B, which is determinant, will be equal to you change this bracket to what? To this line. Okay, 2, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 6, 7, 4, 5, minus 1. So then I'm using this first row. So you cover that. The first element here is what? You have 2 there. Cover that place. Cover it also horizontal. So you have what? You have this minus 6, 7, 5, minus 1. Then here is 3 times what? Minus 1 times minus. So that's minus 3. Cover the same thing, do the same thing also. Cover horizontal. Cover it vertical. So we have minus 1, 7, 4, minus 1. And then the last one is 1 times plus. So that's plus 1. Do the same thing also. Cover it vertical down, horizontal. So we have minus 1, minus 6, 4, 5. Okay? Then you now begin to multiply. So it's going to be this one times this one, and then minus this one times that one. So we now have 2 into brackets. Minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 6, that's 6. Then 5 times 7, that's minus what? Minus 35. And then followed by minus 3 into brackets. Minus 1 times 1, that's 1. Then minus 4 times 7, that's 28. Then plus 1 into brackets. 5 times minus 1, that's minus 5. And then minus 4 times minus 6, that's minus 24. So minus becomes plus 24. Okay, so that's what we have. Then we can do the evaluation. 2 times 2 into brackets. 6 minus 35, that's minus 29. And then minus 3 in the bracket. 4 minus 28, that's minus 27. And then plus 1. Minus 5 plus 24, that's a plus 19. So that's what we have. Okay. This one times this one, minus 58. That's minus, that's plus. The answer is 42 for the determinant. So that's the answer for that question. That's 42.